in that bucket, in that bag?
So, this?
What is that?
I know, but I don't know.
What is it?
I know.
A drill?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
What else do you have?
What? What is this?
A socket wrench? Maybe?
Second.
I don't know.
A wrench.
Mm-hmm.
I turn it on. Papers.
Mm-hmm.
A brush. A paper. A sugar like this. So insect.
Don't throw it.
Trouser. Towels.
Mm-hmm.
Measuring tape. Measuring tape. Let me do it.
What else do you have?
A witch. Towels. Two devils. The towel. What is wood? What's the other piece of wood? Other piece of wood.
What shape is it?
It's a triangle.
No, it's not.
It is a triangle. A doll.
It's a square.
It's a sack.
What's the other one?
A circle.
Mm-hmm.
Coin.
A coin.
Let me see it.
What other tools do you have? Is that it?
No. Oh, wait. That's it.
That's it.
That's it, but that's an gonna see yesterday. Me hang it up a tree now.
You need to put it back on the tree, don't you?
No. That's the day I make, but that on a tree now. That's the day.
What was that?
This. How about this? How about this?
What is it?
Man, I just devil.
Oh, sorry.
See, Mommy? Because see more tours. Because if I make a cow art, I make. You need to bring those toys home on my toolbox.
Yep.
No, we need to get them home. Need to get them home. No, get the home. And two butts. And two bats. In my bathroom. Need to take that from my mind. But choose awesome. But the mine toys are like that. Mine. Oops. No one I forgot. Because us have been.
Are you going to work?
Yep.
Have a good day.